Hello and welcome. I'm Dat Quach, and in this presentation, I would like to talk at some level of details about cement, a very important achievement from the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution was one of the most significant milestones in human history, and especially the world of engineering. Portland cement was an important advance, as it is a basic component of concrete, the body and soul of hundreds of thousands of buildings nowadays. In this presentation, I'll first talk about the world we are living in, and then I will talk about cement and concrete, as well as their benefits and impacts. First, let's talk about the world we are living in. Look at many buildings and structures, especially large buildings and headquarters of various institutions. It is not uncommon for us to hear or reckon the word concrete buildings. These buildings provide room, shelter, and living places for many people, many purposes, and can stay steady, stable with the flow of time. With the concrete bodies that they are, lie an important element, that is cement. So, the world we are living in is surrounded by concrete. In the word of Corland 2019, the world we are living in is surrounded by concrete. We use it for our buildings, roads, and infrastructures. We walk, drive, and ride on it. Many of us live and work within its walls. It is indispensable. Next, let's talk about cement and concrete, the body and soul of many structures. First appearances of concrete existed a long time ago, as far as ancient times. In present time, however, most concrete is reinforced concrete. Concrete in general use consists of Portland cement, a basic ingredient and also the most common type of cement. Portland cement was patented in 1824 by Joseph Aspdin, with Portland showing the resemblance to Portland stone. He was also credited and is believed for having invented this type of cement. However, some experiments preceding Joseph Aspdin also achieved the same product. As you can see in the first picture on the right side, that is Joseph Aspdin, and the second picture is the patent content. It reads Joseph Aspdin, 1778-1855. Portland cement, one of mankind's most important manufactured materials, was patented by Joseph Aspdin, a Leeds bricklayer, on 21st of October 1824. Aspdin lived in this yard, then called Sleep-In Yard, and first sold his cement in Angel Inn Yard. Today's Portland cement is not like Joseph Aspdin's work, as there have been standards formed to eliminate the very nature of natural Portland cement. Modern Portland cements were first produced in around 1860. Right, let's talk about their benefits and impacts. So, cement is a basic ingredient of several construction materials like concrete and grout. For concrete, it offers energy efficiency. Concrete walls leak air far less than wooden walls do, resulting in savings in heating and cooling costs. It also offers fire safety. Concrete buildings are more resistant to fire than those constructed using steel frames. because concrete conducts less heat than steel. And obviously it is better than wood because wood would catch fire much easier than concrete. Grout, on the other side, is used widely for tiling and flooring, as we often see in kitchen or bathrooms. Grout is used to fill spaces and can be a water-resistant seal. Despite many great benefits, there are also impacts. Various environmental effects caused by Portland cement manufacturing process. For example, air pollution due to dust, gases, noise, and vibration. It also causes a high level of fuel consumption and also release carbon dioxide, which cause greenhouse effect and is not good for human health either. So there are also health and safety concerns due to exposure to sulfur dioxide, particles, and dust. So to wrap everything up, cement, or more specifically, Portland cement, through advancements and adjustments, has enabled us to form several kinds of concrete we know today to construct buildings and structures that can stand against time and nature. It is an important achievement from the Industrial Revolution that brings us multiple benefits. However, as we are heading towards a greener Earth, we shall not forget negative impacts it has on our planets. And these are the references used in the making of this presentation. First, fire resistance of concrete homes from Portland Cement Association Residential Technology Brief by Residential Concrete Staff on Concrete Construction Magazine, 2006. Portland Cement by Alireza Bakhtisaray and Omid Reza Bakhtisaray in International Conference on Transport, Civil Architecture and Environment Engineering, December 26-27, 2012, Dubai in UAE. Engineering Your Future, a Comprehensive Introduction to Engineering, 9th edition, by William Oakes and Les Leon, 2015. Not Mortar, Not Concrete, Grout, by Masonry Advisory Council, 2015. Green Building with Concrete, by Gajanan Sapnis, 2015. The History of Concrete, by Nick Romico, Siamai, and Kenton Shepherd on International Association of Certified Home Inspectors in 2016. Concrete Planet, The Strange and Fascinating Story of the World's Most Common Man-Made Material, by Robert Collen, 2019. Portland Cement, An Environmental Product Declaration, by Portland Cement Association, 2021. And that is it for my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.